you on
I was doing it.
I see you were not Forrest Wilson.
I was.
Okay.
Dude, I don't want to go to fight with Ash Wilson. Like,
No, you don't have the balls. Hit me in those shoulders.
no, dude, you already have a scar on your shoulder. Like, right how I would hit you. I wouldn't want to do that. That would be like, you'd be like, no. That would just be like, oh my god, it's like a scar.
How about you guys get that?
I would come in like right in the chin, and it would be game over.
Well, it's pretty fair. You punch him, you punch him once. In the arm.
It's too much in the arm. I don't want to punch two punches in the arm of this kid who not do anything. What do you think? I don't ever work out. Why would I work out? You work out? I don't work out. You need a ball check?
Oh, yeah. Wes, what do you got?
I don't want to, no. I don't want to
Got
get
it.
baseball. Fuck off, you know?
Wait.
Right? Or no, I don't want to punch. I don't want to.
Well, hit him in the fucking arm!
Well, no, what do you?
Whoa!
Nothing. I just want to straight from back. I want somebody else going like a small tight switch car. I don't want to do it.
Purdue!
I won like 7 fights. Yeah, I know. I don't think I'm like a fucking shit for that. Alright, well, give me a dip, and then you get one buck. I got one buck. Or you give me hard.
Get him, dog him!
Hard knock you out. Hard knock you out.
No one's been knocked out.
I will never knock you out.
It's your arm.
It's not. My challenge man will not knock you out. I might have been Mike. I never knocked
Mike's has been.
Yeah, Mike Peterson. Right here, baby. Card. I never knocked you out. But you're gonna knock me out right now. Why? I'm not gonna hit you. How your head is on your shoulder. You busted me in the shoulder, dude. I don't know. Oh, we got a Rob Pearson. No, I never knocked you out. I'm boxing more people than anybody. Fuck you. I don't want.
Whoa! That's false advertisement, Mr. Hall here. Is the all-time champion.
Yeah.
Never lost.
More than you. Dog.